Have you ever been watching a movie, listening to music, or sitting in on an online lecture, and suddenly your screen just goes black? Or even worse, your computer just falls asleep right in the middle of something important? Yeah, that can be really frustrating, but that's exactly the problem AudioGuard by Zimist Coded is built to solve. Now, here's how it works. AudioGuard is a lightweight Windows utility that runs quietly in your system tray, in the background, without getting in your way. And it does just one simple but powerful thing. It monitors your audio output in real time. So as long as sound is playing on your computer, your system simply will not go to sleep. No more interruptions, no more lost progress, and no more moving your mouse every few minutes just to keep your screen alive. Now here's where it gets even smarter. The moment AudioGuard detects audio from any output device, whether it's your speakers, your headphones, or even an HDMI monitor, it immediately tells Windows, not yet. It holds the sleep lock active for as long as the sound continues. But when the audio stops, it doesn't just release everything instantly. Instead, it gives you a configurable grace period, usually about 30 seconds by default. So if you're skipping tracks or pausing briefly in a playlist, your screen stays on smoothly, without any sudden sleep interruptions. Only when silence continues beyond that full countdown does AudioGuard finally step back and allow Windows to manage power normally again. Now let's talk about what makes it really practical for everyday use. You can choose whether you want your screen to stay fully on, or just prevent sleep while allowing the display to turn off. Perfect if you're playing music or just listening in the background. And once you set your preferences, they're saved automatically. So your grace period, your screen behavior, everything stays just the way you left it, even after restart. You can also set it to launch with Windows, so it's always running in the background without you even thinking about it. And if you ever need to step away and actually want your PC to sleep, you can simply click once from the system tray icon and pause it instantly. Now, under the hood, AudioGuard communicates directly with the Windows Audio Session API. And the best part is, it has zero external dependencies, no heavy installers, no unnecessary bloat, just run it and forget it. So if this sounds useful to you, the download link is in the description. Go ahead and try it out. And if you've got any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded. I'll see you in the next one.